Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on message deliver tick mark on Messenger 2025. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your Messenger app, and then once you're inside here, tap on the horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and once you're there, tap on the settings icon right beside your username. Now once you're inside your settings here, in order to turn on your message deliver tick mark on Messenger, what you need to do is turn on your active status. All you gotta do is tap on it, and once you tap on it here, in order to turn on, all you gotta do is simply toggle on your active status if you want to turn on your message deliver tick mark on Messenger. Now if you want to turn on the message tick mark Messenger for a specific person, then what you can do is just simply head over back to your settings, and there you will be seeing this privacy safety option. Simply tap on that, and under privacy and safety option and under who can reach you, you'll be getting the restricted accounts option. Simply tap on that, and here check to see if that person is on the restricted list or not. If that person is on your restricted list, all you gotta do is unrestrict that account, and that specific account will receive the message delivered tick mark on Messenger. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.